Most people don't fail loudly. They fail quietly, slowly, while telling themselves everything is fine. Nothing collapses in one day. It fades, one ignored decision at a time. The scary part isn't that life is hard. The scary part is realizing you've been standing still, while time kept moving. There was a man named Daniel. Not lazy, not stupid, not unlucky, just comfortable. Every morning, Daniel woke up with plans. Not written plans, mental ones. I'll start soon. After things settle. When I feel ready. Years passed like that. He watched people around him change. Some moved forward. Some fell behind. But at least they moved. Daniel stayed. Same routines. Same excuses. Different birthdays. He told himself he was being patient. He told himself timing mattered. He told himself tomorrow was coming. Tomorrow always came. And left. Daniel didn't realize it yet. But his biggest problem wasn't failure. It was delay. Daniel avoided big risks. He avoided embarrassment. He avoided starting before feeling confident. So he chose safety. Safe job. Safe habits. Safe thinking. But safety had a cost. It drained urgency. It softened hunger. It made every day feel optional. At night, he scrolled. Watched other people win. Watched other people fail. And told himself, at least I'm not messing up. But deep down, something hurt more than failure ever could. Regret. Daniel didn't fail because he lacked talent. He failed because he never paid the price of discomfort long enough. Success never asks for permission. It charges interest. And the longer you delay action, the more expensive it becomes. The cost wasn't just time. It was identity. One day, Daniel met an old friend. Same age. Same background. Different life. The friend spoke differently. Moved differently. Looked grounded. They talked about the past. They laughed. But when silence hit, Daniel felt it. That gap. Not money. Not status. Direction. The friend once felt fear too. But he acted while afraid. Daniel waited for fear to leave. It never did. Failure cost driven insight. Fear doesn't disappear. It just changes who it controls. Those who move with it grow. Those who wait for it to vanish shrink. Daniel didn't lose because he tried and failed. He lost because he tried nothing important. Comfort doesn't look dangerous. It looks warm. It sounds reasonable. It feels earned. But comfort slowly steals ambition. Daniel had energy once. Dreams once. Fire once. Comfort didn't kill them violently. It starved them quietly. Here's the pattern Daniel never noticed. Every time life tested him, he chose what felt good now, over what would feel right later. And life kept score. But something changed. Not outside. Inside. One night, Daniel couldn't sleep. Not because of stress. Because of clarity. He saw his life clearly for the first time. No villain. No bad luck. Just choices repeated. That realization hurt. But it was honest. And honesty is painful before it's powerful. Daniel didn't wake up transformed. He woke up embarrassed. Embarrassed by how much potential he had wasted protecting his comfort. So he did something small. Unimpressive. Unseen. But uncomfortable. And then another.
No announcement. No motivation speeches.
Just action. The price of success is paid up front. The price of regret is paid forever. Daniel finally understood that. Daniel stopped asking, will this work? He started asking, will I regret not trying? That question changed everything. He didn't become fearless. He became honest. He didn't become perfect. He became consistent. And consistency reshaped his identity. Months later, life looked different. Not perfect. Not easy. But alive. Daniel wasn't proud of results. He was proud of movement. And for the first time in years, he trusted himself. The reason many people haven't succeeded isn't intelligence, or resources, or luck. It's the habit of choosing comfort over growth. Again, and again, and again. Success doesn't belong to the loud, or the gifted, or the confident. It belongs to those who move, before they feel ready, quietly, consistently, without permission. If this story felt personal, it's because it is. Pay attention to the moments you delay. That's where your future is leaking. And if you're ready to stop drifting and start moving with intention, stay here. More stories are coming.